welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of stuff with you, and I've got some Madewell under here and some jewelry. I already know what everything is, so I thought why not open it up for you guys and show you what I got. And I just haven't done an unboxing video in forever, so I thought why not film an unbox with me video. I've got my LaCroix with me, I've got my scissors, and we're ready to finally open these packages. I've been collecting them over the last couple of weeks, and especially the Madewell one I've been trying not to open for the longest time, and I'm ready to open it, so let's go. We're gonna go ahead and start with this one since I already know what it is. This is a Sipspy box, and if you guys watch my this week's best thrift finds videos, you know that I have a tea box subscription, and I've had a few of you ask me what subscription box I get, and I get Sipspy. So this is the little box that it comes in, and every single month they will send you, I think, 4 different teas, and some of them are loose leaves and some are already in little bags. But when you go online, you get to take a quiz and tell them what type of teas you would like to be sent. You can customize it however you want, and you can get as many different teas as you want. But this is the box, and these are the 4 teas that I got, and then you also get a little card that tells you what kind of tea you got and how long you should steep it and what temperature your water needs to be. So there's a little information card that comes with it. But I got a blackberry hibiscus tea, a organic spearmint herbal tea. This one is a black tea, but look how cute this packaging is. If you're really into trying new teas but you don't really know where to find the brand or anything like that, they give you some of the most interesting brands. And then the last one is the Heirloom Tea Company, and this is a oolong tea. So this one and this one are loose leaf, and when you have loose leaf teas, they also send you a little bag of tea bags. So in this bag are a bunch of tea bags, and then you can put however much loose leaf tea you want in them. But that's Sipspy, and you guys have been asking me what subscription box I get, so I wanted to open it up for you guys so you could actually see what the box looks like. By the way, this is not sponsored. This is just a box that I've been getting for months now, and I wanted to share it with you guys. The next thing is this box from NugNug. NugNug is a face mask brand, and I don't know if they have a new launch or what, but they usually send new launches, so I don't know what this one is. Dear Chloe, we hope our brand new lip scrub puts you in the holiday spirit. So it comes in this little red box, and I think there's another card in here. Okay, so it says our new all-natural vegan cruelty-free lip scrub. So I have used one of their lip scrubs before and I love it. So this one is red because it's the holiday edition, which I'm really excited about. I love NugNug products. I've used their face masks, their lip scrubs before. So this little box has the scrub in it, and I have their normal one, just like their gold sphere one. I don't even know what you call this, but it looks like this. And then so inside is the lip scrub. Also, I'll be sure to link everything in the description box if you'd like to see whatever I got or get it yourself. I don't know. If you're into that, it will be linked down below. This is a Mejuri box, and you guys know I love Mejuri. All of my gold jewelry is from them. So this chain ring is from them, and then I always wear this necklace choker, and I have a lot more pieces from them. I just haven't been putting them on recently because I've been really lazy. So this is like what the box looks like, and they write out a card that says this jewelry is handcrafted for Chloe. And then it comes in this cute little box, and I love getting their pieces. They always feel so nice. You open it up, and there is this gorgeous pendant, and I am so obsessed with this. Yes, and I am gonna put it on now because I'm just too excited. Oh, that's so pretty. Yes. Okay, I love this. How pretty is that? This is so beautiful and delicate, and then if you have other layered jewelry, it could be really pretty, but I have this one. But I really love this. This is so classic, and I love how clean and simple this one is. So I'm a huge fan of this necklace. That's really gorgeous. Okay, the next box is a lot bigger, and this is from Marc Fisher. And I love Marc Fisher shoes. Some of my favorite holiday heels are from Marc Fisher. Yes, so pretty. Oh my gosh, yes. I am so excited. So these boots are so extra, but how cool are these for the holidays? Obviously, I'm not gonna break them out until it feels necessary, but I am so excited about these. Yes to these. How cool are these? They have a pointed toe, which makes you look really long. You can like change the pattern of the sequence to like change the boots. I think that is so fun. So if you want it to be a little less in your face, you can do black, and then if you want to go bam, silver. That's so fun. Okay, Jason's gonna laugh at me though because he is not really into anything that's like in your face, so I don't think he's gonna like these. That's okay because I like them. Like, I think that is so cool. So you can literally do silver or black sequins. I actually really like the black. I think the black is a little bit more understated, and I think that I would get more wear out of them on the black side because I want them to be a statement. I don't want them to be like too in your face, but I think that is so cool. I've always seen pillows like this, but I've never had a pair of shoes that I could actually like transform the color. And Marc Fisher is a great quality shoe. I have some really cool patent leather heels from Marc Fisher, and I love wearing them. I think their styles are always so innovative. Yes, I am honestly so stoked about these. And I probably am just gonna be like doing this all day, just pushing everything up all the time because it's so much fun to do this. But leave me a comment down below if you guys like the silver or the black better. I really like the black. I think those would be so cute with like leather pants or the black jeans or even just like a black dress. I feel like this is a great statement boot. And the last box, the one I am most excited about, is from Madewell. I am so pumped for this one. Anything from Madewell, I'm like, yes. Okay, so the first piece is this gorgeous yellow color. How pretty is this dress? I think I actually might wear this to a wedding this weekend, and I am loving this color. I think this is a great fall color, and I die over this print, and it has tons of ruffles, so I think this is so cute, and I cannot wait to try this one on. So this is another really great dress that needs to be steamed so that the ruffles lay correctly. I just love the length of it and the sleeves. I like that they're long sleeve. You can definitely wear this in the fall. I think it's a nice yellow. The material is gorgeous, so I know once it's steamed it's gonna lay beautifully. But I've been really wanting kind of a mustard colored dress, and I just really like the pattern. I went ahead and left this undone because I like it a little bit more relaxed like that versus it being like clasp right there. I think that's a little formal, so I like to leave it open. Again, the sleeves are so cute because they have this nice ruffle on them, and I don't know, this is a very unique dress. I just love how different it is. So the next piece is actually the same print but a different color because I just love florals. How beautiful is this dress? This is so gorgeous. This one actually is sleeveless, so this is probably not a great winter dress, but I can maybe put a turtleneck underneath it and dress it down. We shall see, but I love the ruffles. So I think this dress is really pretty, kind of like a loose fit, so I probably would belt it with like a statement belt, but I love the pattern on it, and I really like the ruffles. It needs to be steamed, and the colors are very fall. I love those deep reds, the burgundies, those purples I think are really nice for fall, and you could throw a cardigan over it to kind of dress it down, but I just really like the fit of it, and it's kind of cute as a loose fitting dress. But this is a close-up of the layered ruffles, and you can see the pattern a little better. I really like these wide straps, that way you can wear a bra without it being noticeable, and then it also has the ruffles in the back as well. This next piece is denim because denim is always perfect in the fall. Yes. Look how amazing these are. So these have a zipper down the front, and then they have these zipper pockets, but I do not have a pair of jeans like this, so I am so excited about these. And then the bottoms are frayed and distressed, so I don't have to do that. Freaking out about these. These are so cute, and I can already tell these are going to be a great fit of denim, so yes. So how amazing are these jeans? I love these so much. Madewell makes the best jeans, and I love their wide leg jeans. I always have, and I am a huge fan of these. I love how high up they go. They're well over my belly button, so they're really high-waisted, and then the zipper pockets are really cute. And then I love that it has a zipper down the front, but there is a button on the inside so that the zipper won't actually come down while you're wearing them. But I cannot get over how cute this design is. I really, really like these. These are adorable. The next piece is, this one is actually a denim top. And again, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to make this work in the fall because it is kind of like a warmer climate piece, and it has a zipper down the side, which is adorable. But this is something that I would wear with like black jeans, or you could pair it with a skirt. And I don't know, I thought this was really unique, so I'm very excited about this one. So I'm still trying to decide if I like this top or not. I might send this one back, but I really do like the fact that it's frayed on the bottom. I think this is a really unique top just because it is made out of denim. I wouldn't pair it with jeans, by the way. I just had these on earlier, so I didn't want to take them off. But I really like the fit of it. I just don't know if the tie in the front is something I like, but I might try this on with a couple more outfits, play around with it. It might be one of those tops that I wear to events, like something a little bit more high fashion. But I really feel like this is a very 90s top, like a denim top. Who's wearing that? But I'm just trying to figure out where I would wear this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this unboxing and seeing what all I got. I'm very excited about those boots and this necklace. I am obsessed with. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite thing was, or if you'd like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys back for some more videos. I post on this channel 3 times a week, but I will see you in my next one. Bye!